What's up, guys? Let's talk about drugs. All right, if you use any kind of drugs to try to make a feeling feel better, it will lead to an addiction, because your brain's like, oh, he loves to try to make that feeling feel better. Let me give him more feelings to try to make that feeling feel better. And then, because you don't like the feeling, you take more drugs every time to make feelings feel better. That will cause an addiction, whatever drug. You don't need drugs. Nothing. I'm talking no weed, no alcohol. I don't drink alcohol. I don't take weed. I don't take nothing. Absolutely nothing. I'm the happiest sober. And even if I'm not happy, even if I have any emotions, I accept the emotions and I do the things that I value. And that's how I built emotional fitness. People who talk about, oh, but psilocybin or any mushrooms, but that would be evolving you. No, it's not. It's not. It's another thing. When Joe Rogan talks about that shit, it's another thing where you make your feelings feel better. Yes, sometimes it can give you an opening if you take it like once. But if you continuously are going to take it, it's going to fuck you up. And you're going to use it as an addiction. And people are lying to themselves. No, I'm using this to evolve. You show yourself that you don't trust yourself to evolve in your way. You need something outside to make feelings feel better, to get a certain state. That's a compulsion. And people say, oh, it helps me with this, it helps me with that. No, over time it doesn't help. It gives you a quick relief, the same way it gives you a quick relief when you eat chocolate or you drink alcohol or take to get the anxiety away. And that's where you think, oh, it helped me. No, over time it doesn't. Because over time it just creates this complete addiction and a complete emotional weakness, because you keep avoiding emotions. And when you keep avoiding emotions, when you go to the gym, you get weaker when you keep avoiding emotions. And if you keep avoiding emotions, that's like avoiding the gym. You get weaker and weaker. And if you watch this video, yeah, maybe you think, oh no, he's not right. The brain says, oh no, because you using it exactly how people use self-help addiction. You're seeking for safety. You're seeking for something to try to make feelings feel better. And like I always say, when you try to make feelings feel better, you get weaker. You get emotionally weaker, and then you get more sensitive and sensitive. It's the same thing with empaths. It's like, oh no, I got to avoid these people. I got to avoid these situations. And the weaker they get, and then they blame it on everything else. But they don't see that it's actually the compulsion that they're doing. The compulsions that makes them weaker. Okay? So we want to build the skill to have any emotions and thoughts. And drugs are a huge hindrance in that. I'm telling you, from someone who doesn't drink alcohol, doesn't do any drugs, and I see so many people who take them and they tell themselves, oh yeah, your brain tells it to you. Oh yeah, I'm just enjoying a little bit. I have nothing against people who oh yeah, drink some wine, drink some beer. But if you do it to try to make some feeling feel better, you will always hurt your mental health. Okay, this is my message for today. I think that's enough. If you have any questions about that, you can ask me. If you guys ask a question and I see that it's helpful, I can make a video about that subject. Okay guys, bye-bye.